Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create audio with muffled effect using Capcut. So if you add a video, you can just extract the sound first to start adding the muffled effect. But if the audio already separated like this, you can just start by clicking on the audio here on the timeline and then just go straight to audio effects and find the voice filter. So there are three options that you can select to create a muffled effect on your audio. The first one, you can add this retro vibe, or you can also try the megaphone. Let's find, what is it, this one, or the funnel. So just find the effects, the right effect for your audio. You can just choose between those three, and that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.